Hey there, Greymates. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a sturdy hide in Crimson Desert. Now, currently my location right now on the map is right next to Demonis right here. Just a little bit to the right from the final S of Demonis, you can see me right next to the Eastern Court. And there is an Abyss Nexus that you can collect for you to get easier access to farm the sturdy hide. Now, over on the abandoned wetland cabin, there will be some enemies here if this is your first time going to this little area. Once you've liberated that area, there will be some crocodiles lying about. Now, if you look towards my minimap to the bottom left, there are two crocodiles right here, right in front of me. In case you can't really find them, just use the minimap to your advantage. Now, these guys are pretty tanky depending on where you are now on the game, so it will take a while to dispatch them if you're still on the early game. Now, once you've taken down one of the crocodiles, just hold down E to skin them, and you should get between 1 to 3 sturdy hides. And now for the second crocodile, it should give me at least 1 to 3 once again. As you can see there, there's 2. Now, if you want to respawn them, I believe you can just run away a good distance away from the area, and they should respawn. But if they don't, just go back to the Abyss Nexus right here to respawn them. And that's pretty much about it on how to get sturdy hide in Crimson Desert.